Hello and welcome to part 2. Check it out, you guys. I cracked my dental implants and I had new ones printed up, ready to go, and installed. So I want to share with you guys how that experience was and how it went. And just to be really careful, you do not want to crack your dental implants because it can be a pain, it can be a hassle, it can be expensive. There's a lot of reasons, but check it out. They snapped just like rock candy. Now these are the resin printed, high strength resin, but they didn't do too well against a chocolate chip cookie, let me tell you. So I did call my dentist and have a new pair printed up. It was really easy. They still had my scan on file, so they had it printed and ready to go by the time I got there. And so all they had to do was remove the, partial lower that I had and my uppers. They cleaned out my gums, cleaned out the area, and then reinstalled these new 3D printed resin material, high strength resin material, dental implant prostheses. So they, these ones on the bottom are an all-on-4, and when you do have an all-on-4, sometimes you can have a bigger gap between, and it can make that gap, weaken. So that seems to be the case here, and it snapped my lower bridge right on this side here on a chocolate chip cookie. So be careful on what items you eat when you have these temporaries, because they aren't that strong and it can be, kind of a pain to get it fixed. You can also hurt yourself. These cracks, I was lucky and the crack didn't hurt, or I didn't have any sharp edges that were painful or cut my tongue or gums. But I can see how you definitely could have a crack that would be painful and could go right into your gums. So yeah, that's an update on getting my lower dental prostheses replaced. And thank you very much for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one. Have a nice day.